welcome to your channel. Shresh does awesome videos. So no, I'm not a model. I'm like doing something else. I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair keeps on getting my face. I need a scrunchie or something. Let me go look for it. So now I'm gonna look for my scrunchie.
Perfect. Let me go somewhere else to find it.
That scrunchie doesn't match my outfit. Where else would I put my scrunchies? Oh, maybe in the kitchen. I eat a lot of food, so let me look in this drawer. Oh, I found it. Bingo. Where else do I go most of the time? Maybe the bathroom. Sure, let's search in the bathroom. Oh my gosh, bingo. Stash. I'll just add it to this pile. And now I'm gonna search. Stash. Oh, let me add this to the stash. Oh. Okay, so let's add it to the stash. And some more. Take some time to put it in the stash. Ooh, this drawer is open. I found some more scrunchies. I really need a good place to keep all of my scrunchies. And I don't have any space to keep them all in one place. Plus, I need easy accessibility to them. So I have an idea. I have so many scrunchies, but nowhere to put them. So I got an idea. I am going to make 2 ways to make a scrunchie stand. So first I'll need to get the supplies, so I'll need to think about it. This is my junk drawer. It has all of my junk stuff that my mom was gonna throw away, and also some of my art supplies, but she kept it here to throw away, so I have an old fan, some old papers, some cardboard. So let me look for something good. Let's see, there might be something here under the rainbow. Let's see. There's a snake. Oh my gosh. I found a snake in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was scary. Let's find some supplies. So, yeah. I already know what I'm doing, but I need to think of a design. Let's see. Ooh, this hanger is really good. I have an idea. Let's see. I said I'm making 2 designs, so what else do I need? I'm gonna make 2 scrunchie organizers. One is gonna be a hanging organizer, and the other one is just gonna be a normal one. So now I'm gonna tell the supplies you'll need for the first one, which is the easiest one. After loads of rummaging through my scrunchies, I finally found the perfect scrunchie. And now I'm gonna tell you the supplies of the first scrunchie organizer, which is a hanging scrunchie organizer. So all you're gonna need is a hanger, and if you wanted to keep it plain, that's all you're gonna need. But I wanted to add a little lamp to mine, and I wanted to make it more safe to use. So I have this little flower headband thing, so I can add it onto there. So now I'm gonna tell you how to make the first one. 2 ways you can do this. The first way is just using some wire cutters and cutting it like that, but that's way too hard. Plus, wire cutters is not something that everyone has. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna twist open this part. You know where it's twisted right over here? I'm just gonna twist it open. So there's a lock over here, and you have to slowly just open it and then keep on twisting. So let's do that. So I opened it, and this is how it looks. So it should have this and this. So basically it's kind of like a lock, so then you can put it in a lock like that. So if you like it plain, then that's all. But since this is kind of sharp and pokey, I am going to put this little flower. So I'm just going to put it on so that it's not that sharp and pokey. This is not only for scrunchies, you can use it for bangles or necklaces or anything. So this is multi-purposeful, and both of my crafts are going to be for everything, not just scrunchies. So now I am done tying it, and this is the little flower, and this is the final design. So it was very easy. All you had to do is just twist open a hanger and put a flower on. So that's the flower open. All you have to do is push this out and then it's open. So now I'm going to demonstrate it by putting some of my scrunchies in. So I have the whole rainbow scrunchies and now I'm going to put it on. So I put all of my scrunchies on and now I'm going to show you how to put it back on. All you have to do is go to the back of it, just put this in and loop it on like that. Now I'm going to hang it. And look, it's a hanging scrunchie organizer. And now I'm going to say the supplies for the second craft. So now I'm going to be making the second organizer, and this organizer is a standing organizer. Unlike that one, you have to put it on a table if you have space. So you can put that if you don't have space on your tables, or you can use the standing organizer if you don't have space on your walls. So now I'm going to tell you the supplies you're going to, and it's very easy. It's a 3-in-1. So first, for the main part, you're going to need a box like this. I just cut out a little oval in the top of the box, and I have a little cardboard thing inside of the box. So it's a 3-in-1 because there's going to be 2 little poles here that are going to hold the scrunchies. Inside you can put some bracelets or anything, and this cardboard thing slides, so you can put anything inside here like money or anything valuable that's flat, and then you can slide it back up so nobody knows that you put anything in there. And next you'll need some poles. These poles are going to stay on the sides right over there, so you can put your scrunchies on them. Hot glue to glue in the poles. Or if you don't have hot glue, you can use some glue. This is a spray glue, some tape, an X-Acto knife to cut out this part, I already did, and some ribbon to put on the poles. And also I did with this acrylic paint, and also a paintbrush, we'll need it for the paint, and some extra little gems. So that's all you need. You don't need the decorations obviously, but yeah, I need to color it. So I'm using this black pearlescent paint, so this is going to be pearlescent, and let's paint it. So I'm drying this right now because I have my own personal mini fan. It's so cute and tiny. So I'm just using it to dry this box. So while the mini fan is doing its work, I am going to decorate the poles. So I'm going to be using this ribbon. It's really cheap. I just got it from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I'm going to be making a design where I just wrap it around, not fully. I leave some black out, I just wrap it around like this. So I'm going to wait for my hot glue gun to warm up, and so I did some of it, and now I'm just going to finish it off. Just like that. Glue, put the glue down, and then put it on, and then just roll down for a bit, and then do the same thing again. Now I'm going to do it the same with the other one. So now both of them are done, and now we need to put them inside of the box. So we need to make 2 holes here so that they can stay inside of the box. So I finished cutting the hole. So now I'm going to put the poles in. 1 and 2. They fit so smoothly. So now this part is done, but before we glue them, to reinforce it, we have to put the design of the box. So I decorated the top with some gems and little confetti pieces. And these gems were also from Dollar Tree. They're really cheap. And Dollar Tree is basically a store where everything's $1. And I put some little pom-poms on top so that it wouldn't be in holes. And I put a pom-pom on top of the other one too. And now, I'm not done. I am going to attach this ribbon on the side of it. So, yeah. Ribbon on the edge. And now I'm going to hot glue the pipes on. You see the final product? Here it is. So this is the final product and it's really good. So it has 2 pulls for the scrunchies. It has 1 compartment and it has some decoration on the top and the sides. Has a 3rd secret meaning, and inside I have this cardboard piece that slides, so you can just slide and put in some money inside, and nobody is ever going to notice. So let me just put it inside like that, and nobody's gonna notice. So now I'm going to show how it looks like when you put everything on it. It looks like when it fully has everything on it. So I'm done with it. So I'm just going to show you the full view of the whole thing. And you could fit way more bracelets on here if you have a ton of bracelets like me. But this is just a fraction of my bracelets. And all of my scrunchies fit on here. So this is how it looks when you put stuff inside. And here's all of the stuff inside this part. And shh, don't tell anyone about the money inside here. So that is my second craft. So these are the final results. These are both of my organizers. This one is a hanging and you can put any bracelet or scrunchie on this. And this is also multi-purpose. You can put scrunchies, bracelets, and anything inside here. And there's a secret compartment to put money inside. So those are both of my products. I hope you liked it. And I hope you try these because it's really good and it only takes 5 minutes. I really enjoyed making both of these and I really hope you guys try it. And if you do, make sure to comment down below how's yours turned out with a picture of it. And I really like this because they're so easy and you can do them in under 5 minutes. So this is all made out of cardboard and metal. It's nothing special. And yeah, and you don't really have to craft anything. You just take things that you already have and put it together. It's also the best way to recycle products. So we should save Mother Earth by doing this. Because if you have an old hanger you need to throw out, don't throw it out. Do this. Or if you have old pipes from a thing that you made a year ago, don't throw it out. Make this. And if you have extra cardboard from packages that you get, make it into this. So this is also helping Mother Nature. And you can also save money too instead of buying it at the store. And it's a stress reliever and you can just spend your weekend just making this. And it's so fun. I loved painting this. Like, it was so satisfying to paint. And yeah, you should try it for yourselves. So remember, if you try it for yourselves, make sure to comment down below and send a picture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video so you don't get late to those good videos. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!